Hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video I will be showing you how to actually find your database name in WordPress. First of all, make sure that you open your dashboard. If you don't know how to open dashboard, go ahead and open wordpress.com/wp-admin. From here it will open this page for you. Yes, look out and it will open this page for you. Here I will put your username or email address, and here your password. And voila, the page has been opened. Now what you gotta do to find your database, it's pretty simple. There's three ways basically. Add a plugin, which is add new, and from here you go and put your plugin, which is all in one. Now the plugin that will show up for you, it should be something like that: all in one, the WordPress migration. For me, I'm having it already, so it is this one. What I gotta do now, so for example, if you have done a lot of stuff in your website and you wanted to keep a version of it safe in your PC or local host, what you gotta do is just download this all-in-one web migration and go to your here, click on export, and here you export to file, FTP, and whatever website you'd like to, and it will be exported. There is another way, which is, for example, importing as well. You can import a file into your website and add the database again to your website. The third method, which is go into your cPanel, and from here you will find File Manager. Go to your File Manager, and there you will find your WordPress files. From there you can just copy them, download them as a zip file, and keep them in your PC. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually find database and download it or keep it on your PC safe. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.